Good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. In today's class, we are going to continue the lesson Anand Gopal and autobiography. In the previous two parts, we have learnt about the birth history of Anand Gopal and the difficulties faced by Anand Gopal to have education. In that difficult situation, how her husband helped her and how the society opposed her to get education, and in that critical situation how she went to USA and who helped her to get higher education in USA, and what were the affections of Mrs. Carpenter towards Anandi Gopal, and about the university where Anandi Gopal was having her medical degree, and about the room which was provided by the university, and what were the difficulties faced by her in that room. All these things we have learnt in the previous classes. In today's class, we are going to learn about was she got her medical degree or not, and was she became a doctor or not, now was she succeed in her struggle or not. These all things we will learn in today's class, students. Okay, before begin the lesson, let's observe the glossary words. The first word is faint. Faint means here feeling weak and dizzy. Okay, feeling weak or dizzy. Worsened. Worsen means make or become worse. Make or become worse. In your language, that means hadagedu. Okay. Then the next word is scrapped. Next word is scrapped. Scrapped means drag or pull a hard. Difficult to do that work. Okay. Drag or pull a hard. Pull a hard. Okay. Then convocation. What is the meaning of convocation? Convocation means a large formal assembly of people. A large formal assembly of people. Then diagnosed. Diagnosed means identify the nature of the medical condition of a person. Identify the nature of the medical condition of a person. Okay. And the next word is very important, students. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis means TB. Okay. What is the meaning of tuberculosis, Miss students here? Tuberculosis is a disease caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium. Okay. Tuberculosis, called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. That is the name of a bacteria which causes the disease of tuberculosis. Okay, understood? The bacteria usually attack the lungs, but they can also damage other part of the body. TB spreads through the air when a person with TB of the lungs or throat coughs, sneezes or talks. This can spread also, students. Okay, this is about the tuberculosis, TB. Okay, then toll means here damage resulting from something. Damage resulting from something. Then renowned. Renowned means the state of being famous. Okay, the state of being famous. Then sickened. Sickened means die from the effect of a disease or injury. Then mourn means feel sadness about. Frustrate means prevent from succeeding. Okay, cemetery means a large burial ground. Then potential means having or showing the capacity to develop into something in future. Potential means having or showing the capacity to develop into something in future. Circumstance means situations. So these are the glossary words which are coming in the next paragraphs. Okay, now let's start the lesson. Okay, my health was severely affected by my stay there. Means I was unhealthy by staying in that place. Okay, then after around 2 years in the USA, I had sudden spells when I used to feel very faint. Means here, after 2 years, she felt very lazy. Means very dizzy, feeling very weak at that time because of her unhealthiness and get a high temperature. Huh? Her body was not balancing. Means her body was ill, so that's why she could not do anything. She was unhealthy in that situation. Okay, the cough never left me. The cough never left me. Again and again she was coughing, okay, because of the disease. Okay, then my by the end of the 3 years, my condition had worsened. Worsened means, yeah, make or become worse. Her condition was becoming very worse because of this cough. Because the smoke of that fireplace caused for her cough. It started from the fireplace, which was not improper. Okay, from that she faced such kind of condition that was worsening, that was very worst, which was making her unhealthy. Okay, then I somehow scrapped through the final exams. She scrapped means hardly she dragged, that means she hardly faced the examination. Okay, means she was not in that condition, but also she scrapped the examination. She faced the examination at the convocation, where my husband was present. At the time when convocation was there, means a large formal assembly of people after getting degree. There was a convocation. At that time her husband also present there to see about the result of that girl. Okay, it was announced that I was the first woman doctor of India. At the time they announced that she was the first doctor of India and got a standing ovation for that. Means she had faced many difficulties, and after that she became a doctor. That's why all the people of that country USA, they had given a standing ovation for her, because so many struggle she had got this degree, she had become a doctor. That's why they would have done like this. Okay, it was one of the most rewarding moment of my life. See, this was the very rewarding moment of her life. She was sharing her feelings with us. Day by day I grew worse and nothing worked. It means day by day her health condition was becoming very bad. Okay, my husband then admitted me to the women's hospital in Philadelphia. She had a dream to serve for our nation. She had to become a doctor, and she had to serve, she had to help the women who were living in India. Okay, but now she is feeling very sick, so feeling very weak. She could not do anything, and she was admitted to the hospital in women's hospital in Philadelphia. Students, see, at last she was facing the disease. Okay, I was then diagnosed as having tuberculosis, but the disease hadn't yet reached my lungs. At that time she was diagnosed, means identified by the doctor the nature of medical condition of her. Means, yeah, doctors checked her condition, and she was having tuber uh, tuberculosis means TB. She had TB. But what happened there? What was the situation, students? That tuberculosis was disease hadn't yet reached her lungs at that time. That was not reached. That was in the throat of that girl, that woman. So the doctors advised me to go back to India. At that condition, she was now feeling some better. Means that tuberculosis not reached at not reached by her lungs. So the doctor suggested her to went to her place, her native place, India. Huh? After that, they came to India. Okay, her return to India. What happens? What happened when she returned to India? That we will learn in the ninth para. Okay, the journey. The journey back home took a further toll on Anandi's health, as doctors on the ship refused to treat a brown woman. What happened here? Again, she faced the problem by when she was returning to India. Okay, she was faced the problem because the doctors who were there in the ship from where they were traveling to India, they were refused to treat the women because she was a brown woman. Okay, and on reaching India, she stayed at her cousin's place in Pune to receive treatment from a renowned, means famous Ayurvedic specialist. After that, she came to India and she reached to her cousin's home Pune, and she received treatment from famous Ayurvedic specialist. Okay, and he, what happened here? He, however, refused to treat her as, according to him, she had crossed the boundaries of society. He was refused to treat her because he was thinking that she had crossed the boundary of society, means here she had got the education which is not correct in the point of view of society of India. Means they were opposing, the people were opposing the girl to have education. um, but she went to USA and she got her medical degree and she became a doctor. That's why they were opposing this girl now. Understood, students? So finally, on February 26th, 1887, frustrated that all her achievements were in vain. Means here, students, frustrated means prevent from succeeding. She prevent from her success because her goal was to serve for our nation, to help the women who were in the critical conditions. But here she is not helped. Because of her illness, she was not succeed in her struggle, students. Okay, that all her achievements were in vain. In vain means, yeah, without success. Is not she was not succeed in her struggles. By facing all difficulties, she could not succeed in her life, students, because of her illness, because of her difficulties. Okay, then Anandibai succumbed to her disease at the age of 22. She was died from the disease, students. She was died in the age of 22. See, students, then she was mourned throughout India. She had given sadness for the nation because this is pride for our nation that she was the first woman doctor of our nation, but she couldn't do anything in her life. Means she couldn't help the needy. So that was the goal of that girl, but she couldn't do that. So this make our nation very sad. Her ashes were sent to Mrs. Carpenter, who wanted to place them in her family cemetery in Poughkeepsie. Okay, where it is Poughkeepsie. Poughkeepsie. Okay, cemetery means here a large burial ground. Okay, means in your language that is mashana. Okay, they need to place that ashes in their family cemetery. Means here this shows the affection towards Anandi Gopal to Mrs. Carpenter, students. The Mrs. Carpenter loved that girl, loved that woman, because she was interested in learning. So at last they took the ashes of Anandi Gopal and they placed that in their family cemetery. Okay, and this is the end of the life of Anandi Gopal. Okay, then Anandi's efforts, however, were not in vain. They were not succeed. To this day, she is an inspiration to Indian girls from all walk of life. Means all the fields. In all the fields, Anandi Gopal was an inspiration for everybody, students, every girls who will care about the society. Okay, and she enables us to believe that whatever our situation and circumstance means situations, okay, whatever our situations will be, whatever difficulties will be there, nobody's dreams are unachievable, and that each of us has the potential to achieve whatever we wish to. We have to be potential means having or showing the capacity to develop into something in future. If we have any capacity, then we have to show that. She had learned, she had taught us that we have to show the capacity of ours without hesitating, without thinking about our society. We have to think about our goal. We have to reach that goal. Okay, for that purpose we have to face the difficulties and we have to win in that. Okay, that which she had taught us, we have to learn from her, students. Okay, then to achieve whatever we wish, whatever our desires will be there, that we have to fulfill. Understood, students? Today the Maharashtra government has a fellowship, okay, in her name for the young women working on women's health, students. The Maharashtra government has had made a organization which is in her name, okay, for young women working on women's health, means the women doctors. For the women doctors, they had made a organization, students. So this is about our Anandi Gopal, how she had faced the difficulties and how she reached her goal, but at last she was not succeed in her life because of her ill health, students. So we should not hesitate. We should not think about the society, what the society will say. We should only concentrate about our desires, what we wanted to make. Understood, students? So thinking about it, you should learn well and you should um, reach your goal, students. So whatever you wanted to do, the learning is very important, students. So now it is the time to learn to you, students. Now the time is to learn well. Now you have to learn well, then you can reach your goal. So this is our lesson. Learn from this lesson, students, and read the lesson properly. Thank you so much.